Hey Glam Fam, what's poppin'? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So, this look, we're gonna call it Passionate Dandelion because it's dandelion, right? We have these dandelion colors. I feel like purple is more of a like passionate, romantic color, you know? So, yes, we have a cut crease with an ombre ending. I guess this would be like an ombre cut crease, I guess. I don't know. But yes, it's very simple. It was really fast. You know what? I've been working on my cut crease technique, so I went a lot slower when I did this one, but I think it really paid off because this line is like super sharp, right? And if you haven't noticed already, you'll definitely notice it in the tutorial, but my cut creases are not even. But don't worry about that because you guys didn't even notice until I said something, let's be honest. So yes, I think this look is really cute. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this look. Before we do so, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and support me if you haven't already, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. Alright fam, let's go ahead and jump into this look. Starting out, we are using the Festivals palette by Juvia's Place. I absolutely love this palette. And we're going to start off with that nice mustard color. Now we're just going to go ahead and apply this mustard color all over our top part of our lid. And you want to make sure it's really, really saturated because this color is gorgeous. Using that same palette, we're going to switch to that peach color, and we're adding this peach color right underneath the mustard color. This is like our blending transitional shade, so we're going to go from the mustard to the peach to our other color. So you just want to make sure you really focus on blending this in this step, blending that peach with that mustard. Now we're going to switch to that magenta shade, and this is also going to act as one of our transitional shades. So again, we're using this to blend from that mustard to our next color. We need some colors in between there. That's what we have the peach for, and now we're switching to the magenta, and now our last color is going to be purple. So it's really hard to go from yellow to purple, so you go to yellow to peach, magenta, and then to purple. So now we're going to go ahead and we're switching palettes. Now we're going to the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going for the purple. Now, like I said, blending is very important for this look. So when you apply the purple, you're going to only apply it in that cut crease area, and then you're going to focus on blending the purple with the magenta. And sometimes you might have to go back and forth. That way you have like a nice smooth transition between all the colors, but that's what it takes. Blending is key. Like I always say, blending is key. now we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. This is the Makeup Revolution Concealer. It is the Refine and Define Concealer in shade C1. And you're just going to apply this all over that bottom lid just to get it on there. And then I use a flat brush to go in and really get that precision line and really cut my crease so it can be super, super, super sharp. Now since we've cut our crease, we're going back to the Festival's palette and we're going back to that mustard color and we're going to start applying the colors for our crease. Now we're starting out with the mustard color. That's going to be like the inside part of our eye, and I'm going very, very, very slow. It doesn't look like it because it's sped up, but I'm going very slow to make sure that I don't mix that mustard with the purple just yet. I don't want it to mix on the top. I want it to mix like in the corner of my eye. So this is going to be an ombre look. So really take your time and make sure that you don't have any white that shows through. You don't have any of that concealer that shows through because it's going to look really nasty. Just as we did before, we went mustard, peach, magenta, and then purple. So we're going to do that for the crease side as well. We've already got our mustard, so now we're going to go in with our peach. Remember, our peach is our transitional shade between magenta and purple. So you just want to make sure you're doing a really, really, really nice job blending the peach with that mustard. Now that we've blended in our peach, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step, which is blending in the magenta. And last but not least, we're going back in that purple and we're just going to go ahead and finish the look. We want that purple to blend in with the magenta, but to also blend in with the purple that we already have there. That way it's like a nice seamless shape. I'm really satisfied with how this is looking right now. Do y'all see that crease? Man. Let me go ahead and finish my lashes and finish my face so we can go ahead and finish this look. Ooh, sooky now. Look at that. Look at that glow. Look at that. Oh, everything about this look is just perfect right now. So I went ahead, added a little bit of blush, added our glow. Oh, I'm feeling myself, you know. It's cute. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add that black pencil liner underneath our waterline just to make the look a little bit more dramatic. Now we're going to use some of that leftover product from that brush and we're going to add it underneath our lash line. Now we're going to go ahead and add our highlight. We add it to our brow bone, our nose, and our inner tear duct. This is a step we cannot miss because it brings everything together. It really makes everything pop. Like, I absolutely love it. So now I'm going to take a standard black liquid liner and I'm going to add it to the inside of my corners so I can do that inner feline wing. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and do our lips. This is the NYX Liquid Lingerie liquid lipstick. And this is like a nude lipstick because I didn't feel like a clear gloss would go. But it's great. What do y'all think about it? Look at that. Perfection, right? Yes, I absolutely love it. Let me know if you guys wear this look out. Like, it's the perfect fall look, right? Like, you can never go wrong with mustard, ever. So go ahead, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, join the fam, and I'll see you guys in the next one.